but make sure you're going below that speed as you're going in. That's fine. Now give some gas. Otherwise, we don't want to be travelling at 30. 30 is too slow, especially when the road's clear.
35.
That's fine. As long as we're not making a sudden speed drop from, let's say, 50 to 35. Tell me when you notice the next speed limit change.
Here.
Okay, what's the speed limit going into?
30.
Make sure you're doing about 27 as you're going through. No less than 25. That's nice. Now let's go into a lower gear as well, so it reflects. So we're in control of our car. That's nice. After the crossing, we'll come to a set of traffic lights.
Yeah.
At the traffic lights, turn right.
Here.
Yes.
Second
At them traffic lights,
Yeah.
there, turn right.
Okay.
Keep going into the middle. Keep going. Let's go into gear 2. And we can make, now we can't make the turn. We should have been in gear 2, we should have made the turn a lot earlier. But because the car was coming, it was unsafe to turn.
Yeah.
Nice and easy, nice and slow. A bit more to the right, a bit more to the right, so we go over it evenly to the best of our ability. Now gear 3.
Is this a roundabout?
No, this will take us up towards Asda.
Okay. So it's better to take those evenly, like
Yes,
both, okay.
yes. So try and position your car a straight line over the speed bump. Pre-position the car.
Okay.
That's not bad, well done, not bad. As we follow the road ahead, the speed limit will change.
Okay. 20.
We're then going to go inside Asda car park.
Okay. Should I turn to gear 2 now?
Whatever you think you need to do. Try
Okay.
it, see what happens. As long as you come off the clutch slowly, I have no problem. That's beautiful. So we're now going to go inside the car park, and we will be following the road ahead in the car park.
Okay.
So signal left to come off the main road, and to go, yeah, keep on the left. Now go up there, nice and slow. Make sure nobody's flying out the car park. Look at the floor markings and follow the arrow up.
How we've done.
Now take the next right.
Like here?
This one here, yeah. Stop you a second. And now we're going to gear 1. And go when you're ready. That's lovely.
Okay, do you want me to park as well?
Well, you'll need to, won't you?
Okay.
So clutch down. Very, very gentle braking. Gear's fine. He hasn't seen you.
Okay.
He's not looking at you. So what I'm going to ask you to do is forward bay park in any bay on the right hand side, on your side.
Okay.
Any bay you want, as long as it's not inside the trolley bay.
Okay.
Now, before you go inside the bay.
Okay. Before I go inside,
Yeah.
like here.
It's too late now.
Okay, sorry.
Okay, park the car. Okay, so why would I ask you to stop the car before you go into the bay?
To see whether I would have taken it in properly.
And whether somebody was going past you or not.
Oh, okay.
So we need to stop first, make sure it's safe, then go into our bay.
Okay.
Yep. Okay, can you do me a favour? Can you reverse out of here? So we're going to do a bay park together.
Yes.
Okay. So we need to steer to your side, do a full lock to the right.
To
That
the
way.
right. Okay.
Yeah. Full lock. Nice and slow. Nice and slow. That's me holding your clutch
Okay.
a little, okay? So make sure the car's moving at this pace. That means you have to adjust your clutch. Can you feel me in the clutch?
Yeah.
This speed is perfectly fine.
Okay.
Gently keep coming back, nice and slow. Keep the lock on. Slow the car down so it doesn't pick up momentum. Keep coming back.
Okay.
Keep coming back until we straighten up. Now straighten the front wheels. Straighten them quickly with your hands. That's fine. And stop. Now park the car for a second. Okay, apply your handbrake. Okay, where did we go wrong? We have no sort of reference to go into the bay. You and I need to create a reference to do a forward right bay park.
Mm-hmm.
So what we're going to do, we're going to keep the car on the left hand side of the road to do a bay park on the right. And if we do a bay park on the left, we want to keep the car on the right,
Okay.
on the opposite side. So we're on the correct side. What we need to do then is line up one of these straight lines with your door mirror. A bit like what you do when
Yeah.
you're at a junction.
Okay.
We're then going to go into gear 1, look over our right shoulder to make sure it's safe, and then we're going to forward bay park into one of the bays. Now you won't need power, but what you will need is to control the car.
Okay.
Okay, so let's go into gear 1.
So can I ask you a question? When you say aligned,
Yep.
it's just like literally making sure they're physically on the same
Yes,
line.
yeah.
Okay.
So we're perpendicular.
Okay.
We don't need to go in reverse.
We're going to the. Oh, why did I do that? Okay. I like rehearse.
I've noticed. It's good, it's positive. So very slowly move forward and line up, but make sure your right signal's on to show your direction of travel.
Okay. Should I full lock?
Okay. Straighten up with the car first. No, straighten up with the car.
Is it correct that way? No. What do you mean by straightening now?
You know, by the time I speak, you've already done.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm trying to tell you to turn. Before I've spoken, you've already adjusted. You've done something different.
Okay.
So then I've got to just go with what you've done. So you're coming into the bay, you're looking at the floor marking, which is fine. But if you straighten up with the car and move forward, I'd then give you another reference, which would be a forward reference.
Okay. At what point would you have want me to straighten up with the car?
When you are straight inside, when your car is straight with that car, you then straighten your front wheels.
Oh, so you would have want me to just kind of proceed a little bit and then.
Yeah. Now,
straighten
what
the
we
wheels.
needed to do was a right blind spot check as we were coming into the bay as
And
well.
I didn't do it. Yeah.
You just went in, but it's fine. It's not a problem at the moment. It's the first time you're doing a bay park. Okay, what we need to do, we need to finish off in the bay. We're not fully in the bay
Yeah.
yet, okay? So we're going to move forward when you're ready.
Okay.
We'll slowly move forward and straighten the car inside the bay.
Okay. Which I didn't do. I mean, sorry, what did I do? Just a second. So it's telling me it's too close now. Looks.
It's saying you just it's picking up in the vehicle in front.
Okay. So what should I do now?
You make sure you're in your bay.
Okay.
Now, if you just come to a stop for a second. Okay, we're not going to move yet. Let's go into neutral. And that car's on its driving test. So she's doing a forward bay park.
Okay.
I just want you to watch that car for a second, okay?
Okay.
So she's doing a forward bay park on a drive in reverse. So she's lined up. She's doing, I think she's doing a reverse actually.
She's gonna go.
Yep, she's going to reverse into one of the base. Now that learner car should have actually stopped.
Do they have that?
Yeah, but no, I don't think she's got that in that car. And that learner car should have stopped to let the car continue.
Finish.
On a driving test, you mustn't interfere with their driving test.
With the parking,
Yeah.
the parking procedure. Okay.
And that's a very reasonable standard of driving she's done there. That's not bad.
Yeah.
She's demonstrated good control over a car.
No. She's moving the wheels before she goes. Is that okay?
It's okay, but it's like rookie driving.
Hmm.
She should be better than that. But it doesn't matter. She'll pass a test.
Okay.
And that's what she's looking for.
Yeah.
Yeah, is that right? Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, so what we need to do, we need to do another bay park.
Okay.
But this time what you need to do is stop at your point of turn, then do your observations, then slowly roll the car into the bay.
I get it.
Because you're going downhill, you can have your clutch fully down and just gently brake as you're going in. I'd advise you, next time you do a bay park, never do it next to a car.
Okay.
Especially when you're driving test. Too
Okay.
close, don't get involved.
Okay.
Always make sure there's at least one space between you and the vehicle that you're doing it with.
Get it.
Okay, so when you're ready, I want you to reverse the car, but you need to make sure that you're making effective observation. That over your shoulder, your left shoulder, this one is also doing a bay park, and that's on a test.
Okay. It's on a test.
Yeah, she's on a test. Yeah, he's on his test.
Is this common?
So he's doing a reverse left or a forward left. But he's got his left signal on. And look at the speed and the pace that he travels at.
So in one
he's-
move, I let them.
Yeah. So what he's doing now is doing his observations, okay? So keep watching him. Now watch him look over towards us in a few seconds. There, he's looking again. Can you see how his head is continuously moving left and right while he's doing a manoeuvre?
Yeah.
And that's what you need to be doing. And that's what we call effective observations, okay?
Okay.
So when you're coming into the bay, you're focusing just on achieving your objective. But what we need to be doing is looking around like he's done.
Okay.
Now that one was harder than that one
Was it?
because this was slightly uphill.
Okay.
But this one's a bit harder to do.
In
but-
terms of control of the
In
clutch.
terms of, yeah. So what he's done, he's not lifting off the clutch fully.
No.
The car will very quickly go backwards.
No, yeah.
So he's got his foot on the clutch. He's actually controlled it very, very well. And once he finishes, which he's inside the bay, he's asked the examiner, the examiner's asked him, are you finished? So what he's done, he's opened the door, had a look, and he said, yeah, I'm finished now. And then he'll tell him to drive off. Now, if he says, no, I'm not finished, I want to correct something, he'll say, okay.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yeah,
Do you
it
understand
does.
that? Yep.
Yeah.
So we're going to let him move off. So he's moved off now. Once he's out of our way, we'll then carry on with our bay park.
Okay. What's okay?
So when you're ready, I want you to reverse the car to the right, please.
This guy's coming out. I'll let him.
Mhm.
Are you coming out? Yeah.
He probably is.
Yeah. He put his seatbelt on.
But do you know the green coloured car should have waited while the person was doing the manoeuvre. So when you're having a driving lesson, try and avoid getting too close to a car doing a driving test.
Okay. There's so many learners
Yeah.
here.
You'll come here because this is where usually you'll be doing your bay parking.
Okay.
And you'll see the green car coming towards us now.
I risk I'm gonna stay here all day.